Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 777, meaning and symbolism, the spiritual significance of angel number 777, a comprehensive exploration. In the realm of numerology and spiritual symbolism, certain numbers are believed to carry profound meanings and messages from the divine. Among these, the angel number 777 stands out as a powerful symbol of spiritual awakening, inner wisdom, and divine guidance. Encountering this number repeatedly is often interpreted as a sign that the universe is communicating with you, urging you to pay attention to your spiritual path and personal growth. Numerological significance of 777. In numerology, the number 7 is associated with introspection, spiritual enlightenment, and the pursuit of knowledge. It represents a deep inner desire to understand the mysteries of life and the universe. When this number is tripled, as in 777, its energies are amplified, signifying a heightened state of spiritual awareness and alignment with the divine. The number 777 is often seen as a confirmation that you are on the right path, especially in terms of your spiritual journey. It suggests that your efforts to grow spiritually are being recognized and supported by the universe. This number encourages you to continue seeking knowledge, embracing your inner wisdom, and trusting in the guidance you receive from the spiritual realm. Otter Spirit. Spiritual interpretations of 777. Divine guidance and support. Seeing 777 is commonly interpreted as a message from your guardian angels or the divine, indicating that you are being supported and guided on your spiritual journey. It serves as a reminder that you are not alone and that the universe is working in your favor to help you achieve your highest potential. Spiritual awakening and enlightenment. The appearance of 777 may signify that you are undergoing a spiritual awakening or are about to experience a significant shift in consciousness. It encourages you to embrace this transformation, explore new spiritual practices, and deepen your connection with the divine. Inner wisdom and intuition. Angel number 777 is a call to trust your inner wisdom and intuition. It suggests that the answers you seek are within you and that by tuning into your inner voice, you can gain clarity and insight into your life's purpose and direction. 777 in love and relationships. In the context of love and relationships, seeing 777 can indicate that you are in a phase of growth and transformation. It may suggest that your relationship is evolving to a deeper, more spiritual level, or that you are about to meet someone who will play a significant role in your spiritual journey. This number encourages you to remain open to love, trust in the divine timing of your relationships, and focus on building connections that support your spiritual growth. 777 and career path. When it comes to your career, encountering 777 may be a sign that you are aligned with your true calling and that your work is in harmony with your spiritual values. It can also indicate that you are about to experience a breakthrough or receive recognition for your efforts. This number encourages you to continue pursuing your passions, trust in your abilities, and remain open to opportunities that align with your higher purpose. Embracing the message of 777. To fully embrace the message of angel number 777, consider the following steps. Reflect on your spiritual path. Take time to assess your spiritual journey and consider how you can deepen your connection with the divine. Trust your intuition, pay attention to your inner guidance and trust the insights that come from within. Otter Spirit. Seek knowledge and growth. Engage in practices that promote spiritual growth, such as meditation, reading spiritual texts, or attending workshops. Stay open to divine guidance. Remain receptive to signs and messages from the universe, and be willing to act on the guidance you receive. Angel number 777 is a powerful symbol of spiritual growth, inner wisdom, and divine support. Its repeated appearance in your life serves as a reminder that you are on the right path and that the universe is guiding you toward your highest potential. By embracing the message of 777, you can deepen your spiritual practice, trust in your inner guidance, and align your life with your soul's purpose. Embracing the divine message of angel number 777. Seeing 777 repeatedly is not a coincidence. It is a profound signal that you are walking in harmony with divine timing and purpose. The universe is affirming that your thoughts, actions, and intentions are congruent with your higher self and spiritual mission. This number carries the vibration of divine perfection, completion of a spiritual cycle, and the unfolding of sacred knowledge. It is often seen at turning points in one's spiritual journey when you're about to elevate your consciousness or receive divine insights that will alter your perspective permanently. One of the core messages of angel number 777 is the importance of introspection and inner development. In a world that often values external success, this number gently calls us back to the inner sanctuary where truth, clarity, and purpose reside. It encourages you to trust your intuition and recognize the spiritual intelligence that is already within you. The answers you seek are not outside. They lie in the quiet spaces of your heart, soul, and consciousness. Furthermore, 777 urges you to release fear and embrace faith. The spiritual journey is often filled with uncertainty, but this number serves as a reassurance that you are not alone. Your guardian angels, spirit guides, and divine forces are walking with you, offering protection, support, and wisdom. Whether you are navigating a personal transformation, healing from past wounds, or striving to align your career and relationships with your purpose, 777 is a divine reminder to keep going. It tells you that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Another significant theme associated with 777 is awakening to your spiritual gift. Many people who begin seeing 777 find themselves drawn to healing, teaching, or spiritual service. You may feel called to share your wisdom, express compassion, or become a source of light for others. Angel number 777 is a beacon that illuminates your spiritual talents and invites you to use them for the highest good. It is not just about personal enlightenment, it is also about becoming a vessel for divine energy in the world. When it comes to relationships, 777 speaks of divinely guided unions and connections rooted in mutual spiritual growth. If you are in a relationship, seeing this number could indicate that your bond is elevating to a deeper spiritual level. If you are single, it may be a sign that the universe is preparing you for a soulmate connection, one that will not only fill your heart but uplift your spirit. And in your career or life's work, 777 encourages you to pursue paths that are in alignment with your soul's calling. You are reminded to act with integrity, passion, and purpose. When you do what you love, and what you're divinely meant to do, abundance, joy, and fulfillment naturally follow. In summary, the appearance of angel number 777 is a magnificent spiritual blessing. It confirms that you are tuned into a higher frequency, receiving sacred knowledge, and fulfilling your soul's mission. The more you embrace this energy, the more miracles, synchronicities, and signs you'll begin to notice. Keep listening, keep trusting, keep walking your path with heart, courage, and awareness. Angel number 777 is the universe's way of saying, you are on the right path. Keep going. The best is yet to come.